Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of my new Apple AirPods Pro 2, which I'm really excited to do. I got these on voucher, $17.99. I'm not sure if they're the original ones, but I'm looking forward to seeing what they're like. And also, I got these for my new iPhone in April. So, and without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Right then, so it comes in this wrapping. I haven't got the tripod, so that's why I'm leaning up against the plastic thing. So I'll be trying to open this. Quite difficult with it opening it in. Oh, I found it so hard. Right, we're in. It's not the original Apple. I'm hoping these are quite good. Right, let's get it out of there. It's quite a colourful box actually. I do like that. Right, let's see if I can open this up. If you don't have any scissors, use your gnashers. Right then. Oh, you like this? These are pink, by the way. Right, here we go. I always have trouble undoing boxing. I don't know if you do. Right, here we go. Ooh. To one side. Comes in this sort of blue packaging. Let's open. Wow. And this one here. Wow. So these are they're pink as well. Wow, that is so cool. These are pink. They're very pretty. I've never had pink AirPods, whatever you call them. There's the instructions and how to connect it to your iPhone, which I haven't got one yet, but I'll be testing them on my Android one. These are the what's it called? Charger. Sorry, lost me memory then. This is the charger. Let's see how small this is. So that's how long the charger is. It's not that long, but I think I could do that. Right, that's all that's in the box really. I've got it off the voucher, as I said. I might leave it in the link below. Please subscribe and comment down below. And that'll be the last unboxing until the big iPhone 11 or 12, who knows. I know it's going to be in purple anyway. So thank you. No, the next unboxing will actually be Christmas, because I'll be showing you all the Christmas presents people are giving me and all of that. So yeah, so I'm very pleased with them. It's very silky as well. Can't wait to connect these up. Bit they're massive. But yeah, I can't wait to need to charge these up, and then yeah. Right, thank you for watching this unboxing video. Please subscribe and press that notification bell, and also get all your friends to start following me. I need some more subscribers. I want to get up to about 12 million, so that would be lovely. Thank you. Bye.